Look, the beach! Wow, I see the sea! The sand is so soft. I feel it under my feet. The sun is shining bright. It's a beautiful day. Let's build a sandcastle. Yes! I love sandcastles. Let's use this bucket. I will make the tower. This is our castle. It looks so tall. Let's decorate it with shells. Now let's go swim in the sea. The water feels cool. Look at the big wave. Let's jump over it. That was so much fun. I found a seashell. It's so pretty and pink. Let's have a picnic now. Yummy! I love sand. The sky is turning orange. The sunset is so beautiful. I had so much fun today. Me too! The beach is amazing. It's time to go home. Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.